Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out my boys' room. My two younger boys, Levi and Blake, who are 8 and 4, share a room. So I'm just going to be cleaning up their room, going through some of the drawers and their closet. So if this is something you're interested in watching, stay tuned. So just starting out, I'm making their beds. To keep it simple for them, I just keep a fitted sheet on their bed and then they just use a bunch of blankets. It just makes it easier for them to make their bed in the morning, and for me when I do laundry, I'm not having to wash a big comforter. So again, usually they do make their own beds or fold their blankets up, but on this particular day, I'm not sure what happened. I just went through and cleaned their room. This was actually filmed a couple months ago, so this was probably during school time when they were in school. And each of my boys have one of those little red blankets with the little planes character on them that my sister got them one year for Christmas, and they each have their own names on them. So now I'm just going through and dusting the furniture, and for that I'm using this end dust. And that picture frame there is of our family when Levi was about 3 years old and we dedicated him at church. Now I'm just clearing up this dresser over here and going through some new socks that I got my younger son and just putting things away. And that is one of my favorite picture frames. I got that frame from my good friend Tony. Shout out to Tony. Hey girl, if you're watching. Thank you. I love that frame. It's so cute. And here's a little devotional that I got for my middle son. It goes over the Proverbs. And my 4-year-old, it was totally potty trained already, so here I'm just going through and getting rid of all the extra pull-ups, and they're girl pull-ups because they were hand-me-downs that we were using, so I'm just cleaning them out and giving them away. And then also we had like pet pads up there too for the bed for protection. That's just a tip for moms. If you want, you can use a little pet pad instead of having to constantly wash the sheets. And now I'm just going to go through all of his shoes and get rid of anything that is worn, has holes in them, anything like that. So I'm just finding the matches and putting them back. And I just use an old laundry basket to keep them all organized in. It just makes it easy, and I use what I have on hand. This took quite some time and this video is sped up, so I cut a huge portion of this out just to save time. And this is the finished closet. I have all of his sports shoes over there on the left, and then all of his school play shoes in the basket. And now just moving on to my 4-year-old's dresser. I'm just organizing his shirts a little bit better, kind of using the KonMari method to where you can see all the shirts. As you can see, I have some already like that, but then when I did laundry, I just kind of threw them in there. So I'm just going through and reorganizing it better. A lot of these shirts are hand-me-downs from my 2 older boys, so I know it looks like he has a lot of clothes, and he does. It's from the hand-me-downs, and then they also get a lot of clothes for Christmas from their grandparents. And each season, I try really hard to go through all their clothes and donate any items that no longer fit and pack stuff away that's to be handed down, etc. And just moving on to his socks and underwear drawer, I'm just finding matches and cleaning out any socks that no longer fit him. I do just use a little Dollar Tree basin to store his socks and underwear in to keep them a little bit more contained. And here I'm just showing you the completed drawers, all neat and organized. This method just makes it easier to see which shirt you want to grab, so you're not always taking the shirt that's on top. For storing hats and jackets that they wear throughout the year, I just have this little Dollar Tree double hook that goes over the door that I use to store those on. And here is the completed room, all neat and clean. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all your love and support. Cheers to 100 subscribers. If you are new and have made it this far, I hope you like what you see and that you stick around and subscribe for more videos like this. Hopefully this has motivated you or inspired you to clean something in your house today or to organize something, even if you start someplace small. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.